Vijay Shekhar Sharma, the founder of Paytm, has a remarkable journey from a small-town boy to a billionaire entrepreneur. Born on June 8, 1978, in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh, India, Vijay grew up in a modest household with a school teacher father and a homemaker mother. He completed his schooling in Hindi and later faced challenges with English at Delhi College of Engineering, now Delhi Technological University. Despite this, his passion for technology drove him to excel. While still in college, Vijay launched XS Communications, a company that created content management systems, CMS. After his engineering degree, he worked at various technology firms but soon realized his entrepreneurial aspirations. In 2000, Vijay founded One97 Communications, initially providing mobile content. Facing financial difficulties and the dot-com bust, he persisted. In 2010, he pivoted to digital payments, launching Paytm as a prepaid mobile and DCEite recharge platform. Paytm quickly gained popularity for its convenience. The 2016 demonetization in India accelerated its growth, leading to expanded services like bill payments, bookings, and the Paytm Payments Bank. Vijay's vision of a cashless economy began to materialize. Vijay navigated competition from global giants, regulatory hurdles, and user trust issues. Despite these challenges, Paytm secured major investments from SoftBank, Alibaba, and Berkshire Hathaway. In 2017, Vijay became India's youngest billionaire, according to Forbes' India Rich list. Known for his humility, Vijay credits his success to his upbringing and the support of family and friends. He remains committed to financial inclusion and making digital transactions accessible to all Indians. Vijay Shekhar Sharma revolutionized digital payments in India and inspired a new generation of entrepreneurs. His story underscores the power of perseverance, innovation, and vision, proving that determination and hard work can overcome any obstacle and lead to great success.